How to use release swim lanes in a user story map. Releases in a user story map are great for splitting the backlog iterations, but did you know they can do much more? Today, we'll show further opportunities for releases. Using release swim lanes as priority groups. Instead of just tracking iterations, you can create swim lanes as priority groups. For example, using the Moscow method, organizing user stories into must-have, should-have, could-have, and won't-have categories. This helps teams align on what's critical and what can wait. Plus, it works well with the standard way of using the release swim lanes. If you create the upcoming release, you can simply insert it and move top priority backlog items. Using swim lanes as workflow categories. In Lean Agile, you can structure your workflow using releases. Put user stories into the under development swim lane. Prepare upcoming tasks in Next Up, and store prioritized items in top priority. Everything else? Send them to the pool release for future consideration. This keeps your backlog clear and your team focused. Similarly to previous methods, this can be combined with the classic way of using release swim lanes. Using release swim lanes as initiatives. Another great way to organizing your backlog is by grouping work into initiatives. Instead of splitting stories by sprints, think bigger and organize them by goals like improve performance, enhance usability, or increase engagement. This helps teams track progress on major improvements, not just delivery timelines. As you can see, release swim lanes are more than just visualizing iterations. Use them to structure your work in a way that makes sense for your product and team. Try these methods in StoriesOnBoard today and follow us for more content.